Last year, Kadena just took off at one point and is still one of the most profitable coins you can mine right now. And GoldShell has some of the best miners. Today, we're going to look at the little GoldShell mini Kadena miner, the KD Box. I'm going to show you guys what my profit is, how much it earns per day, and we'll take a look at what else is out there and if it's still worth it, because they're very expensive little miners. So let's jump into it. All right, let's check out asicminervalue.com. This is where you're going to go, and you're going to be able to see every ASIC miner available for us to purchase. And you can see right on top, GoldShell KD6. And this is brand new, released this year, coming in April of 2022. And right now, in a down market, $144.87 a day. And then two spots underneath that, the KD5, last year's miner from GoldShell that was just killing it when Kadena took off. At one point, this miner here was doing over $500 a day. Crazy. But today we're talking about the KD Box. So we'll scroll down and we will find the KD Box right here. And if we click on this, you can see the profitability up here from GoldShell. This is a little box miner. Going to be very efficient, 1.6 terahash, and a power consumption of only 205 watts. Not very big. It's not going to be very hot. It's not going to generate a lot of noise. Only 35 decibels of noise, and it's not going to change the temperature in your room, wherever you are mining with this. And you're going to be able to hook this up in your house anywhere and plug it in anywhere with the proper power supply, of course. Now, profits right here. So you can see ASIC Miner Value is saying it does about $9.13 a day, and then you take away your electric cost at 59 cents, and you're doing about $8.54 per day. So depending on what you can get this miner for, very profitable. So if we scroll down, and if you want, you could change your electric cost here. Right now I have it set at 0.12 kilowatt hour. That's what my electric is. So you can see still very profitable. Now, prices have come down a little bit, but not very much on these miners. So you can see in all these listed are trusted vendors. I have purchased from a few of them, but of course, for this miner, you do want to get it from GoldShell direct if possible. It does say 1700, but that is not the case. So on GoldShell's website, you can see if we go there right now, that miner is selling for $37.99 without a power supply and $38.99 with a power supply. That is the best you are going to find this miner for, brand new. Now, if we go back, all of these other costs on here, very expensive. And, you know, if you care about ROI, you're not going to want to buy from here. You're going to want to get it from GoldShell. Now, they do sell out very quick when GoldShell does have a drop. You know, you might want to follow them on Twitter, turn notifications on, and sign up for their newsletter, because they do let everyone know when they do have a drop, but they sell out very quick. So it's basically a race to get these miners at this price. So if we go back to, let's just take a look and see what I'm doing right now for Kadena. So today's profit, 1.01 Kadena, and yesterday's profit was a little more than that, and it will go up and down depending on the difficulty here. And you can see I do have one KD Box online. There is the 15-minute hash rate as well as the 24-hour hash rate, and the rejected percentage, not bad, 0.77%. Now, let's just take a look and see what I made. So if we go to CoinGecko.com, you can see 1.01 Kadena is worth $7.66. Take away about 60 cents for electric. We are making about $7 a day in profit. All right, guys, look, so your ROI on a box like this, if you buy it direct from GoldShell, you're looking at about 500 days, a little more than 500 days, if you can buy this box direct from GoldShell. Anywhere else that people that are charging $6,500 to $7,000 for these boxes, it's going to take you a couple years to make your money back, 2.5 years, 3 years to get your ROI. Now, what I'm doing, I'm just buying these boxes and I'm getting them in, and I'm not too worried about the ROI. This is just what I do, not financial advice. I am looking at this long term for me. So I'm building a lineup of just miners and machines and equipment that make me passive income. Passive income is my way to financial freedom. So I'm looking at these boxes as each one is an employee for me, and it's generating income for me every single day. And that's where I'm at with mine. I'd love to hear where you guys are at with your journey in crypto. Drop some comments below. Let me know what you are willing $5,000 for me for the KD box was expensive, and the ROI on that is a lot longer than I ever thought I would allow, but I did it anyway because it is very profitable. And when KD does jump up again, and it will go up again in a bull market, that box right there will do $20 a day. So your ROI at $20 a day completely changes. So keep that in mind. Whatever you're mining today, when we hit another bull market, whenever that may be, that KD box will do around $20 a day, maybe, between 15 and 20 at least. So your ROI will be cut in half when that happens, and then it becomes completely worth it. And that's what I'm looking forward to. And everything that I'm mining right now for $7, each Kadena, each KDA that I mine at $7 will go up as well. So all this money I'm just holding, or all the coins, KDA, I am just holding, hodling, as they say. I'm just holding on to it, and when it goes back up, I'll be a happy man. But that's it. Let me know what you think of the KD box. If you have one, what you got it for. That's it, guys. I'll be back with more content. Hit that like button. A sub would be appreciated. I'll be back soon. Peace.